This is our Earth and this is the globe. Globe is a spherical representation of the Earth. It spins around an axis, allowing us to see the different continents and oceans. It shows us the features of the Earth just the way they are without stretching them out of shape. Today our topics globe and maps. What is the difference between globes and maps and what are the advantages to uses of globes and maps? Globes and maps. Globes gives the representation of Earth in three dimensions. Maps gives the representation in two dimensions. Collection of maps is called atlas. Art of making maps is called cartography. The standard symbols of cartography are used on both maps and globes. The word globe comes from the Latin word that is globus, thus meaning sphere. Globes have a long history. The first known mention of a globe is from Strabo. A globe is used to study the Earth as a whole. A whole is a spherical model of Earth, of some other celestial body, or of the celestial sphere. Maps. A map is a representation of the Earth, or a part of it, on a flat surface. It gives us an aerial view of the area being mapped. Map showing natural features of the earth such as mountains, hills, plains, rivers and oceans like that. It thus helps us understand what the area looks like and where the various features are located. It can either be used to show the whole earth or to show the small area in great detail. A map is very easy to carry around and it a quick and convenient reference for people. A large-scale map is used to show large areas like countries on a paper. Large-scale maps gives us more information than small-scale maps. First listen the elements of maps before to going the types of maps. Elements of maps represent different information about the area on map. Direction. Compass on the map to show direction or top of the map is north. Title. It tells you which area is covered by the map. What is the type of map? That tells the title of the maps only. Is it physical map or climatic map like that. North arrow. It tells you that orientation of the map or location of the four cardinal directions on the map. North arrow. Just I said about that north arrow. It tells you the orientation of the map or location of the four cardinal directions on the map. Color. Color represents the physical attributes of the area. Brown uses for mountains, like yellow for plateaus, light blue for water bodies, dark blue for deep water bodies, green for plains, like that. Symbols. It also uses to represent specific landmarks in the area. PO for post office, PS for police stations, cross for churches, single line for regular roads, two parallel lines for national highways, single blue line for river, broken line for sea route, red cross for hospital, pair of students for school like that. Scale. Ratio between the size of the map and the area shown. On the map 1 centimeter is to 100 kilometers means 1 centimeter on the map is equivalent to 100 kilometers in actual distance. We can't express the real distance on the map. That's why we use scale to present the distance between the places. Many maps show the scale as a line with distance marked on it. This is called graphic or linear scale. Look at here. Each division on this line represents a particular distance on the ground. We have different types of maps: political maps, physical maps, thematic maps, road maps, city maps, economic maps, topographic maps, location maps, like that. Political maps. Political maps shows the boundaries and locations of countries, states, cities, towns. These boundaries and locations are determined by governments rather than nature. The next type, physical map. It is the India physical map and world physical map. Physical maps shows the landforms, water bodies, or other geographical features. The varying heights of natural features are usually shown with the help of different colors. The next one is climatic maps. Climate maps can represent the climates of a region, continent, or the entire world. They use a combination of precipitation, temperature, seasonal variations, and geographic features to identify climate zones. Look at here, this is called legend. In this legend, these colors used to represent different climatic conditions. Yellow color for hot and dry condition, red color hot and humid condition, and blue for cold like that. Topographic map. It gives the user the ability to view a three-dimensional landscape on two-dimensional map. Topo map can identify the elevation and location of valleys, peaks, ridges, and other land features. Thematic maps. Thematic maps use the base data such as coastlines, boundaries, and places. They provide specific information about particular locations. It represents particular information like the climate, parks, tourist places, and sanctuaries, etc. It is called thematic maps. An economic or a resource map is a map that outlines the kind of economic activities that take place in a certain region. This kind of map features a variety of colors and symbols that refers to specific economic activities, natural resources and labor resources as part of an area's economy. Look at here in this picture, there are some colors, different kinds of colors refers some economic activities and land use. The next type of map, a road map. It is a map which shows the roads in a particular area in detail. A road map may contain other relevant data, such as terrain or railroads. Road maps are used in business for strategic planning and communications. And we use the road maps for navigation application and using on trips for driving directions, and it helps to travelers also. Thank you friends. These are the advantages and differences between globes and maps. I will give some important bits in next video. If you liked my video, please subscribe my channel Meevidya for better learning. Like and share. Thank you.